Hi guys, today we are solving the 23rd day's problem of March LeetCoding challenge. The problem's name is 3 sum with multiplicity. Before solving this sum, I recommend you to solve 2 sum and 3 sum and then only come to this sum. Let's read the problem statement. Given an integer array and an integer target, return the number of tuples I, j, k such that I is less than j is less than k, and ARRI plus ARRJ plus ARRK equals to target. As the answer can be very large, return it modulo 10 raised to 9 plus 7. Let's see the example to understand it better. The array is given 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and the target is 8. So we need to calculate the number of ways it is possible to have 8 as a result from this array. So let's see. If we add 1, 2, and 5, the answer is 8. If we add 3, 4, and 1, the answer is 8. If we add 2, 2, and 4, the answer is 8. If we add 2, 3, 3, the answer is 8. So we need to calculate the number of permutations and combinations. The formula of calculating permutations and combinations is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. If we calculate these number of permutations, we'll get a final output. But as the number can be very large, we have to do modulo of 10 raised to 9 plus 7. So let's try to solve this sum using 3 pointers. Or let's do it by 2 pointers itself. We'll create 2 pointers, low, high, and final answer. So we initialize it as 0. We'll sort our array Now we'll take int mod as 10 raised to 9 plus 7, and we'll do it. We are initializing this as if the number is greater than the 32-bit size of an integer, we'll modulus it by this number so that it comes in the range. Now we'll initialize n as arrays.length. We'll pass through We'll iterate through the array of ARR to find out our target sum and calculate the number of times it is occurring. Here in answer we are going to in the answer we are going to put the number of times from the array we can calculate target. Now we initialize low as I plus 1. Our first pointer will be I, our second pointer will be low, and our third pointer is n minus 1. Now we'll take a while loop. We'll iterate through the while loop until low is less than high. In this loop, we are going to initialize two more variables called count of low, which we'll take as 1, and count of high, also we'll take as 1. Now, before entering into this loop, we'll check if ARR of I plus ARR of low plus ARR of high is equal to target. Then only we'll come into this loop and do the following. Now we'll take another while loop where we'll check till the time low is less than high, and then ARR of high. Let's do low first. ARR of low is equal to ARR dot low plus 1. Here what we are doing is till the time, let's take this array. If low is here on the 0th position, we are going to check if the next number is also the same as this number. We'll increment count of low until these numbers are same, because we need to add these combinations, add the number of combinations into some variable. We're going to calculate it in count low, we'll do plus plus, and we'll do low plus plus as you want to check it further. We'll do the same with high, but in high, as we are starting from n minus 1, we do high minus 1, control plus, control high plus plus, count of high plus plus, and high minus minus. Now we'll check if low is equal to high. If after incrementing both of these, they both have reached the same position, we do answer equal to answer plus count of low into count of low minus 1 divided by 2 modulo of mod. Here what we are doing is we are calculating the sum of all the elements from control from 1 to control a count of low. That means if you want to calculate the sum of n natural numbers, we have this formula as n into n plus 1 by 2. But here we need to calculate only till count of low minus 1, as the array starts from 0. Hence we take the formula as count of low into count of low plus 1 modulo 2, which is where n is count of low minus 1 and n plus 1 is count of low. I hope you're understanding. It is a bit tricky to understand. Else we do answer equals to answer plus count of high into count of low. We'll do mod of 10. We do mod of this. After that, after coming out, we'll do low plus plus and high minus minus. This was the if condition, this if condition. Else, if ARR of I plus ARR of j plus ARR ARR of low plus ARR of high is greater than target, we'll do high minus minus. Else we'll do low plus plus. After coming out, we'll return answer. Let's try to run the code. Okay. Our output is correct. Let's try to submit it. Our solution is accepted. I hope you guys understood. Our intuitive method of solving this problem is using 3 for loops, but it will give us a TLE. So we want to do that. We'll instead do this, which will not give us a TLE but a correct result. I hope you guys understood. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.